Okay, so what we're going to do now is replace this rotted sill and subsill. What we're going to have to do is take off the apron on the window, pry that off, and then we're going to have to saw the nails from this side and take that off. All right, so when you cut this, before you take all this out, after you take your sill off, take your Sawzall and run this all the way through until you feel it cut through. See, what you want to do is, this is the sill and it's dadoed into the jamb side, so you need to cut that all the way across, and it's actually easier to do before you remove the sill. This is what I'm replacing, PVC sill. Some people call it a sub-sill. This is the original, which has, this you'll install a nosing, that's why that groove is there. But this one had a built-in, the original had a built-in nosing. And if you ever wonder what this little lip here is for, it's a drip edge. It stops because the water will run this way, and once it hits this gap or opening, then the water will drip down. So really this should be painted when you install them.